Like they say, have a light meal when it comes to dinner. And on today's episode of Easy Food with DG, I show you just that. A simple delicious recipe of a pearl barley soup with celery. Doesn't that sound just wonderful? And to make pearl barley soup with celery DG style, you need pearl barley, which I have soaked in water for an hour, otherwise they look like this. Celery, almonds, some seasoning salt, garlic, onion, carrots, salt and olive oil. Let's get going. Alright, turn on your heat source, add some olive oil, about 2 tablespoons. Let that heat and we add in the garlic. Add in your garlic and onions. To this add some salt, give it a nice mix. Just about now you can add in the celery, your almonds for that extra nutty flavor. I have roughly just chopped them in small pieces like so. Add them in and your carrots. Let it cook for a while and we can clean up. So I've taken about 2 stems of celery for the amount of soup that I'm making today. Keep stirring in between. A, so then all the vegetables cook evenly. B, it gets all the beautiful flavors of the almond and celery. Cover for about 4 minutes. Alright, it's been about 4 minutes. Give it a nice mix. You see the onions have slightly changed color. At that time you add in your soaked pearl barley. I have about half a cup of barley which I soaked in 1 cup of water. To this we will add 3 more cups of water. That's 1, 2 and 3. And we spoke about vegetable seasoning. I have 2 packets here. Please put those in as well. Give it a nice mix. This soup usually does not require any chili, but you know my love for chili. So I'm going to add in 1 green chili, not chopped, but I'm just going to make some piercings roughly into it. So the flavors of the chili will seep through into the soup. And there you go. Mix it. I've added a little bit of salt already. The seasoning vegetables also has some salt. So once the soup is cooked for about 15 minutes, we will check for salt. Let the magic begin. It's been 15 minutes. Let's check for salt. Perfect. Time to serve. While I enjoy this warm, comforting soup on a cold, rainy day, why don't you guys cook it, click it, post it on Easy Food with DG. I will see you soon. Squeeze some lime, some fresh pepper, crushed pepper, and we are ready to dig in.